Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabsian. Today we want to learn together how we can make or create an interactive calendar in Figma. Please open the Figma and I'm going to select the rectangle. I'm holding down the shift key and making one square. It can be 25 by 25. Holding down the control key to bring it a little bit near or closer, and I'm choosing the white for its background, and I'm writing down here letter 1. Escape key, I'm choosing both and aligning them, and I'm adding also auto layout for this and going here to make it center, and I want to left and right padding be 8 and 8, and here 4 or 4. And the constraint should be fixed width, because whenever we are going to have also the 11 or 13 two numbers, it can be fixed the position and be in the middle. So now I'm going to duplicate it by hovering the Alt key, and again with Control D 2 times, and I'm making I'm changing the color of it because I want to have a hover. And for this also changing the a little bit darker to see the active. Yes, and this also I'm going to change the color to white. Now I'm going to select 3 of them. I'm going here to choose create component set. Then I'm going here to prototype, and I'm selecting frame 1, and I'm bringing here. Here I have to go for while hovering because I want to hover it, and from here I'm going to smart animate, ease out and 300 millisecond. Again I'm coming here and connecting to this, but this time should be on click and smart animate and ease out 300 millisecond. And this one also I'm taking this to, because I want to come from the active to deactive. Here also is on click and ease out and smart animate, ease out and 300 millisecond. Now I'm coming here. I'm going again to design mode and selecting this one, holding down Alt or Option key and bringing one of these square here, and I'm going to, because I want to make a calendar here, I'm taking Control plus D. And now again I'm selecting them and duplicating more time to make a calendar. I'm going to speed up. Now we made this calendar here. Now we are going to prototype to see, just aligning it. We are going to prototype a screen mode. Now we can see that here is very small. To seeing better, we are going to here this part option, and we are going to fill a screen to bring it a little bit in closer to see what is going on. And now is the time to see that while we are hovering, you can see that it's become a little bit the color is light green, and while I'm clicking here, you can see the green is here and the number is going to be changed as well. And you can see we can choose the calendar wherever we want, and we can also click once and make it deactive. And now you can see we made interactive calendar in Figma with the help of component. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be more informed. And if you want more tutorial in Figma, please draw my attention in commentar. For next video, I'm going to make a tutorial about your wish. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.